you need to embrace the fact that approaching and learning to get better with social skills is going to be awkward as fuck. So, all the time I'm on boot camp, and I noticed that the guys who get the most stressed out, have the slowest progress, are the guys who are way too caught up in trying to make everything perfect. So, for example, this morning I did an opener. I'll show you. Hey, excuse me. Oi. Hi. I'm making a video today. I'm asking coffee or tea. Which one's better?
You wanna record me?
Is that okay?
No,
shit, okay.
Sorry.
No need for it. She didn't want to be on camera. That was awkward. Put the camera up, talked to her for a couple minutes. What happened? Did I die? No, I didn't die. Did I learn something? You know what? Yes, I did. I learned that if you just put the camera up and you say, okay, no camera, let's just talk and let's just be friends, then you end up having a nice interaction instead of just getting rejected. Like, I learned that sometimes I could see from her face right away that she didn't want to be on camera, and I just directly ask, okay, yeah, do you want to be on camera? Is that okay? Do I want to sneak record women? No, it's fucking weird, all right? A lot of guys do it. I don't judge it. I do it sometimes, but it's weird. It's a weird energy, and it's not fun. So I just ask. I'm upfront about it. Anyways, yeah, so that's it. That's pretty much it. So I noticed this morning on boot camp, my student was like, what do you want to open with? I'm like, bro, you can literally open with anything. And he's just like, okay, well, give me one. I was like, you could literally walk up and ask someone, do you like coffee or tea more? Which one? And he said, that's a stupid opener. Wow, that's not going to work. I proceeded, because I'm stubborn, to do it 5 to 10 times in a row just to show that it can work. And half the time, the set was opening perfectly. It's not about what you say, it's about the energy. Did I have some girls that were kind of awkward and were like, why are you asking me this? Yeah, absolutely. But that's just part of the game as well. You're not going to have every single girl want to be interacting with you. You're not going to have every person enjoy it. So what I would say is just embrace the awkwardness of it. This is another thing. A lot of guys, they want to become coaches or social media. They want to put themselves out there, but they're afraid to hold a camera and stick it up in their face and talk because it feels awkward, because people are going to look, people are going to judge. And honestly, it's the biggest gold mine of opportunity in the entire world right now. And you're just going to throw it away because you're afraid of what someone's going to think. Oh no, look at him. He's a cheesy influencer. Oh, who does he think he is? Oh, he looks so stupid. Meanwhile, you can build a business, you can travel the world, do all these cool things, live a really cool lifestyle, but you're afraid of what someone's going to think of you. Yeah, I guess the message for what I'm trying to say right now is you can't be living your life to perfection, because if you only act when the moment is perfect, if you only do things when it feels right, you will end up doing nothing at all. Because that 1%, that one time where it finally is perfect, let's say it's an approach. Let's say you can only approach a girl when the opportunity is perfect. When it finally comes, you'll be in your head. You'll be super nervous. You won't have any experience. You'll have all this pressure to perform off this one approach because you just didn't shoot enough shots. So I have another approach that I'm gonna try. And fuck it, she looks like she will reject me, but I might be wrong. Hi, how's it going? I'm asking people, I'm making a video and I'm asking people, do they like coffee or tea? Okay, sounds good. You don't have to be in it. I like your glasses, those are cool. Take care, see ya. See, again, another awkward interaction. Please no, that was her response. Not even just like a straight up, please no, like a begging me to not record her. Listen, it's not an easy job. It's not an easy job, and a lot of people want to do it. And a lot of people want to record, and a lot of people want to film. As I do it, I can see people everywhere watching. Some people laugh, some people judge, some people think I'm disturbing the peace, and some people think it's cool as fuck. The ones who think it's cool are the ones who are going to be your friends, and the ones who judge are going to be the ones who were never meant to be in your life anyways. So guys, what I would say is the message I'm trying to give is do not live your life based on what people think. Perfection is a false standard. It will never happen. It will never work. Live your life based on what you want to do and live your life based on how you want to live. So, shout out to God, shout out to you guys. who make all of this possible, giving me the resources to live my life and enjoy it, while also trying to provide the best service possible to everyone who does a boot camp with me. If you guys want a boot camp, hit the link below. I just shot a new video promoting it, telling you the full details of what happens. You guys see my face here. Just got a quick workout in before we go. Workout every morning, no excuses. First order of business, let's pick up some cigars. Let's go. This one's a lot different than what I'm used to riding, that's for sure. It's a lot faster. Yeah, okay. Pray to God for a safe journey. I forgot my fucking helmet. Gotta protect the moneymaker. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Had a honk at her. Had a honk at her ass, let her know. Like shit. Get your ass out the road. Get your ass out the road. Alright boys, here at the farmer's market. I try and come here every Sunday because, quite honestly, there's a lot of baddies here. But I don't have a lot of time right now, I'm already late. Hey, it is what it is. And we out here, live in the cut. Live in the motherfucking cut. What's up? Say what's up, brother. Oh, yeah, we out here, baby. Type shit. We got the cigars. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Okay. Bye bye. All right, fuck it. We're already here. We might as well do some approaches while I'm at it. We might as well. Might as well. Nothing to lose. Everything to gain.
Hey, bro, how are you?
How are you? Yeah, very good. Just got some cigars today.
Nice.
Yeah, man. You already know. Celebration time. You know? Life is good. See you around. Cheers. Salud.
Strong?
Really tasty,
Yes, because
but
we
it's
have
not
to-
strong.
Oh, no, yeah.
It's not strong, but it is very tasty.
Thank you so much.
It has a really good flavor to it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to guess where they're from. Any guesses?
Russia.
Hey, that's what I was gonna think. I was about to say Privyet Kakvila.
I heard you saying.
Did I say that in the beginning? Okay.
Yeah,
I did.
I remember that.
Are you from Russia as well? Okay, I was
live
gonna say.
there, but I'm not.
You live there?
I live there.
Wait.
I mean, I live in Bali,
Yeah.
but I'm based in Moscow.
Wow.
So-
I heard Moscow is one of the best cities in the world.
Yeah.
Has
There.
everything.
I mean,
No, I have Russian friends, and yeah, I used to date a Russian girl.
does
as
the
well.
travel?
So I've been doing a challenge recently. I'm taking a program by Owen Cook where he has 12 different missions, and I'm on mission 1, and I've practiced mission 1 50 times. I'm trying to get to 70 times per week. So that means 70 new technical interactions where I test out a new thing per week. All right, back on the adventure. I grew up fucking poor, bro. I grew up in the gutter, in the trenches. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but it was bad at times. And I grew up not believing I would be smart enough to make money. I believed a lot of limiting beliefs around women, and I climbed out. I'm making 10K a month now, so I guess I'm out of the trenches. But the process of getting there, you start to become ruthless with your time, your attention, and you start to become ruthless with everything. And yeah, man. Well, we have officially arrived here in the middle of nowhere. Well, I will say, being out here immediately makes you realize how boring life can be. I'm just fucking out here. Immediately, I want to like distract myself. Like, what do I do? You know, I want to like work or watch a movie, you know? That's lame. So instead, I'm gonna do a motorcycle tour. You okay? No, it's so much higher than I expected.
It's so fun.
Yo! It's not scary?
No.
Really?
It's for,
Open your hand.
you.
For children. Damn. Karina, you're a badass.
Yo!
Go. Go. Go.
Like a back massage.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!